Welcome to Learning to Lean Tools Introduction. Today we will be covering the SIPOC tool. Hi, my name is Katie Lebeds and I'm a professional speaker, certified instructor facilitator. I'm a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt, project management professional, coach, and mentor. And I also own a company called Learning to Lean. Have you ever wanted to give an overarching view of a process, but don't really know how to communicate it? The SIPOC tool provides that overarching view of a process. SIPOC stands for suppliers, inputs, process, outputs, and customers. Unlike how we read, we actually start with the P process step first. Let's get started. To help you understand the SIPOC tool, let's talk pizza. The SIPOC tool grounds us in the knowledge of the process that we have at hand. Now we're going to look through each step of the SIPOC tool and correspond it to making a pizza. As we previously mentioned, contrary to how we read, we begin with the P process step in the SIPOC tool. The process step in the SIPOC tool is the fulcrum. In the process step, we want to describe our process at a high level, 5 to 7 steps max. Think of describing your process to your friends or family. If you can't describe your process at a high level in 5 to 7 steps, you may want to take a step back and examine what process you're reviewing because you may have scoped the process too large. For our pizza example, at a high level, making a pizza process would include receiving the order, preparing the dough, adding your sauce and toppings, baking it in the oven, removing it from the oven, and serving. The next step in the SIPOC tool is to review the outputs. The outputs from our pizza example include a deliciously baked pizza, dirty dishes, and a completed customer order. The next step in the SIPOC tool is to review all of our customers. For our pizza example, we can have carry-out customers, delivery customers, and dine-in customers. Now we move on to inputs. The inputs for our pizza example are the inputs to each of our process steps. So for our pizza example, that would include the dough, cheese, of course the order from the customer, sauce, and toppings. Finally, let's talk about the S, suppliers. These are the suppliers of the inputs that we just listed. For example, Lamers Dairy would supply the cheese, Vegetable Farmers United would supply the vegetable toppings, and Cisco could supply the rest of the ingredients. In today's session, we reviewed the SIPOC tool, which gives a nice overarching view of a process, the outputs, the customers, the inputs, and the suppliers. Thank you for joining today's session. Again, my name is Katie Lebeds, and you can reach me at learntoleannow@gmail.com or our website, learningtolean.training. We offer a variety of continuous improvement consulting opportunities and training just like this one. Thanks and have a fantastic day.